smart bin is a small device which is going to help you ordering the grocery right from your bin where you keep your grocery when it is about to be over. Based on the weight you set, that for example you have kept rice in this bin, and for example this is your bin and you are keeping rice inside, and when the rice goes below 1 kg, it will order the rice automatically. In this case, what we have done, we have added the rice in your basket automatically from here. All this pre-configured. Will show you how to configure that bin for rice as a product, and what is the reorder level, what is the ordering amount every time you should order. Okay, we'll show you how to set up now. So once you get this product, then let's switch it on. So it's switched on now. Now you will see that how to configure this smart bin to say that which product you're going to keep in this, and also you're going to tell that going forward what is that home Wi-Fi you want to connect. You see that here this is the list of Wi-Fi in my Wi-Fi scanner in my device, in my mobile, which says there is something called Auto Connect AP. This Auto Connect AP is the device name, smart device name here. It got auto connected because we have used it earlier, that's why. So I will now go to the browser and try to see that if I try to browse anything, where does it go? Now you see this. So in this page I tried to browse the google.com. It gave me this page which says some Auto Connect AP, Wi-Fi manager, configure your Wi-Fi. That means I have to configure this device. This is the device page actually. I have to configure that this device should connect to my home Wi-Fi, right, going forward. So I will configure my home Wi-Fi here to say that how this device is going to get connected to my cloud, right? So I will, this is my home Wi-Fi, the first one. I'm going to click on this. So it is here. So I'll type in the password. Okay, I'll save it. So it's saying that credentials are saved. So this credentials are saved in device. Going forward, this device is going to get connected to the cloud, retailer cloud, where this weight of the items are going to be published using this Wi-Fi what I have just configured. My next step is setting up the smart bin. So it's giving me a link saying that set up your smart bin here. So I'll click on this. Before that, I'll see that I should be connected to my home Wi-Fi from my mobile device as well. I'll just check that. Okay, any data, let's say I have connected my mobile to the, I should be connected because I need to go to the, so it is telling me set up your smart bin here. So now I clicked on this. So it went in, it is asking me to log in. So I'll just change it because this is my user. My username is Shantanu123. Okay, so and then I will log in. So it will take me to the configure bin page where you will be able to see this smart bin ID. You will see some numbers. This number is nothing but the ID of the smart bin. Every individual device is having configured with an ID, and this ID is unique, and this ID is going to be registered in my application, and this is all going in AWS. It is in SQL Server database hosted in AWS. So the product I'm going to select here, say rice, right? And then I'm going to tell that what is the order level. What is the order level? Order level means here is like how much I want to order every time it goes below the reorder level. So I'll put, say I want to order, say 10,000, it is in grams now, so we will make it the units and all these things, it is in grams it's saying. So trigger action, so it says that if it goes below the reorder level, what you would like to do. So I am saying I would like to add this item to basket and notify me in case it goes below the reorder level. Then I will tell what is my reorder level. So I will set the reorder level as 1000. 1000 here is 1000 grams, means 1 kg. Okay, then I will register my bin. So I clicked on register. So it says that bin is registered and showing me smart bin and product name rice. Trigger action is add to basket and notify me. Reorder level is 1000, and then it says that ordering quantity is 10,000. So all in grams. We need to work on this UI and all these things. But this is what this is how I am setting up my device. So now device is all set up and it's ready to use. So what I can do now is I will now put something on this device. Take an example that this I don't have rice now, but what I can do is I'm going to put this items. So for example, so this is auto off. So let the device come. Yeah. So for example, this is my grocery. I am keeping it here. Okay, and it says that I have. Okay, I'll keep something more. I have some. If you see the reading, it is showing that I have some 1199 grams of items over here. Now let's see the logs, that every time how it is. So this all should okay, now let's see this. See this, it is visible. So it has been recorded. My device has pushed the data to the cloud, and my application is fetching the data from cloud and showing that this bin ID, with the bin ID, will give a friendly name to this. It has been recorded 1201 weight at some point in time, and this grams and logged date time also it has given. So it will actually keep pushing in regular interval this data. So I'm just refreshing. See if you can see this. So these are the data it has been pushing. So the value you might see in the device. So the whole thing is coming over here. So now once it goes below the reorder level, my reorder level has been set to 1000, right? 1000 grams. So once it goes below the reorder level, I take out something, I consume it actually daily basis. Then it will add the item, means rice, to the basket. So I'll just see that anything else it came in. Okay, so what I'll do now is, so we'll change the weight. We'll see few more things here. So for example, I will keep one more object in it. Consider this is my item. So my weight is going to change again, right? And you are going to see that it will be recorded over here. So it's keep pushing the data over here. It is going to change. We'll show you. Okay, so it is going to change. See this? Now the weight is different. So I have put some item which has given me 1240 grams. Right? Now we'll take out this item to go below the reorder level, which is 1 kg, and we'll see that it has been added to my basket. So I'm taking this out, and I'm taking, I just took out this mobile I kept on the device. I took out, and the reading, it says now 963. Then it should have been recorded in few minutes. Yeah, it is in few seconds. So it has been recorded. So 965 has been recorded. Now I should be able to see in my basket that it should have been. See, I got a mail also. So I'll be going to the basket. So so basket, it got added in the basket. Now it got added in the basket. I showed you an application. Now I'll show you, I got a mail also. So this mail says that item has been added to your basket. So it is in my Gmail has been configured. So yeah, I see that there has been a mail from grocery.smartshopper, smart shopping items added to your basket. I'll open this. So it says that, what it says, okay, hi Shantanu, you do not have enough rice available. We know you like rice to be ordered for you. We have added 10,000 grams of rice in your basket as it has gone below the reorder level 1,000 grams. Please complete the order as per your convenience. And so this had been added to the basket. So this is the complete use case. Okay, so this is how it is. Now we'll tell you little bit of insight how it has been done, how it has been achieved. Let it be here. So we got a very cheap weighing scale, which is a vegetable weighing scale which can weigh 7 kg weight in this, and we have made it smart. How we have made it smart is we have taken out this weighing scale has a load sensor inside it, and that load sensor output we have taken out, and this load sensor is the analog output which can be read by one small device called HX711. So this I am holding, this is HX711, and HX711 is a analog to digital converter which converts the weight output and feeds it in to this device. You see this device? So this device is called Node MCU, ESP8266 Node MCU, which has a Wi-Fi capability inbuilt, and actually this is a microcontroller, and this microcontroller can be programmed using Wi-Fi and using some input from the sensors, and we can actually manipulate some of the sensor to work along with this. So we have taken this ADC converter to feed the output to this particular device, and this device is reading the values, the weight we are putting it here, and then it is posting it over to the cloud, which has been configured to the cloud. So our services are hosted in AWS cloud. So it is using AWS IoT device. The device has been registered in AWS IoT, and this device got an ID and has been registered, and it is using MQTT protocol, which is a very lightweight protocol using X501 certificates, and it is actually uploading the weight data to the AWS cloud. And then in cloud we have rules to process the data, and that data is finally through the rules is going through a Lambda function, where in the Lambda, AWS Lambda, we have used Node.js program to push this data to our database in the log. We have shown you the smart bin log. So from there in that Lambda we have the orchestration based on the whatever your weight is right now. If it is below the reorder level, we have the smart bin configuration available in the database. So we got the smart bin configuration, and then we have fetched that what is the reorder level, whose name the bin is. Then according to that we have added to the basket, and then we have notified the customer saying that it has been added to the basket. So there are a lot of details. We can provide it in different another technical details. So this is all it is. Finally, this device is going to be completely independent device. It is powered by the battery. It has a breadboard power. It is powered by the battery, and this bin is all going to come as a single unit, and which is you can keep anything, you can configure any grocery item to be used it for, and it has been it will be connected to the retailer cloud. So today I just showed it. It is like all open. Finally it would be a complete one program. I hope you liked it. So for any more details, please contact us, our team. Thank you.